Today is Palm Sunday, which means that we read and imagined and heard how Jesus came into Jerusalem riding the back of a donkey, exactly like the prophet Zechariah prophesied in the Old Testament in chapter 9, verse 9. It says that Jesus is the King, not a king, but the King. And that's the first and most important truth that we need to be confronted with as we set our face towards Easter weekend, which will be happening next week. Palm Sunday is the start of Holy Week. And next Friday, we'll have Good Friday, and then we will have Easter Sunday. And during Palm Sunday, we read the gospel accounts of Jesus coming into Jerusalem, being met by people, waving palm branches, shouting, Hosanna, save us. And then we follow the story closely of expectations being met, expectations not being met, people loving him, people despising him, people being disappointed in him, people turning their backs on him, but in the end, seeing Jesus perform the act of salvation that the Bible promised that he will fulfill. Palm Sunday is a time of reflection for us. And for us as believers, it's a time that says, do not be afraid. The King is here.